Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Fish Market, where we teach you how to fish for gains. So in this video, it's going to be a very short one where I just show you how to enter the AVAX ecosystem so you can ride the Avalanche wave. Okay, so I explored many different ways to enter AVAX, from like Binance to Randbridge to like Elk Finance, and I think honestly the easiest way is to just send stable coins into Gate.io or KUCOIN and then buy AVAX on that platform and then go into their withdrawal to withdraw on the C chain, not the AVAX chain or the X chain, just the C chain, and then just send that to your Metamask, which is going to be the same address as your ethereum or BSC address. I think that's the fastest and the easiest already. I'll send a link in the description below on how to add Avalanche into your Metamask. Go from Binance, then you will send it to your AVAX wallet, link in the description, and then after that from the AVAX X chain you need to send to the C chain and then to your Metamask. But I heard that BSC is going to do a bridge to AVAX soon, and I also expect Binance to basically support AVAX C chain withdrawals soon as well. So yep, that's basically the end of this video. I will be doing some farming videos on AVAX very soon, so if you like this video, do remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!